Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the desktop icons on Windows 11. So if you want to declutter your desktop, you can see my desktop in here. There are a few of desktop icons or programs here, and if you want to make it clear, you want to hide them from the desktop, you can just follow this simple steps here. So what you need to do is just right click on the desktop and then go to the view options, and here at the very bottom there will be show desktop icons. So you can see the current setting is enabled. So what you need to do is just click on it, and the apps or the icons will be hidden automatically. So now your desktop will become clean just like that. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.